Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to give feedback on FlipGrid. If you're an educator and you'd like to provide a private feedback to students' video, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open your web browser and to go to admin. FlipGrid.com and press the enter key on your keyboard. Open up your educator account by logging in using one of the options. Select your account that is associated with FlipGrid. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged in. Now click open a topic under discussion that you'd like to view. If any student left a response into the video, simply click on their name to bring up the video response details. Once you find a video preview, scroll all the way down and select the Feedback tab to provide private feedback to students. Now select the red Record Feedback button to provide a private video response. Simply recorded video to give out your feedback. Let the countdown begin and start recording. Once you're done recording your feedback, click on the next button in the bottom right and from your video preview. Click next one more time. Select a cover image by either uploading a photo, selecting a frame, or even taking a selfie. After you're done, click confirm and your feedback is being uploaded. Finally, click on done. And you have created a private video feedback to one of your students under grading rubric. If you'd like to send a text feedback, type it into text box, click on email feedback to send an email notification with access to the feedback, but in order to do so you'll need to add an email by clicking on this link right here. Type in the email address of your student to whom you're sending the feedback to and click on update. Now as you can see that the email feedback button has now been activated. Click it on in order to send a feedback via email. You can also copy the feedback link by clicking on this button, which will show you the link of the feedback right here on the box. Click on copy and simply send it to one of your students. That is how you can easily give feedback on FlipGrid as an educator. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.